Welcome to the learning graveyard. What's cooking wording ain't so hard. In every dark corner there won't be a quarter, but you'll find a friend named Jack-O-Lern. Jack-O-Lern, oh so weird. Halloween is not so feared. Explore horror themes with Jack-O-Lern, and all your fears will overturn. So come on, little witches and monsters.
Hello, little witches and monsters. I am Jack-O-Lern.
I am R K Myst, the mad scientist.
In today's episode, R K Myst, the mad scientist, is going to show us a magical trick powered by science.
Yep, that's right. National Geographic Mega Science Series for our experiments.
Science magic kit? Cool.
Yep, and today's lesson is...
Scatter pepper with your finger. To view our What to Get list, check the description below. Adult supervision required.
Cool. But what's the science behind the experiment?
Whoa! Wow! Wasn't that incredible? Yeah! The science behind the experiment. Soap is a surfactant, a substance that breaks the water's surface tension. The movement of water molecules separating from one another creates enough force to push small grains of pepper across the surface. If you want to repeat this or the next experiment, you'll have to rinse the plate properly to remove any soap residue.
Huh?
Wow, that was exciting.
Sure was. I hope you enjoyed the episode. We will see you again soon.
Have a haunted day.
Bye.
Bye.
Jack-O-Lern, oh so weird. Halloween is not so fear. Explore horror themes.
Oh, and you can follow my YouTube channel too. Link is in the description below.